how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just open your browser and then just click these 3 points and click history and click on it. Now just click clear browsing data and select all of those here. Go to advanced and then select all of those and then select 1 day, 24 hours and click clear data, and that's it. After that, just close your browser and then restart your PC and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.